Today, we're on Cooking with Benji.
Soft pretzels.
Our ingredients today for soft pretzels:
Egg, cheese, sugar, salt,
and dry active yeast.
active yeast, and then
We have flour,
water, then
a big mixing bowl.
Wait until it activates, which will take about 5 minutes.
And this has to be a really dense dough. So as much flour as you need, as much flour there will be. Now, when you reach like a very doughy, like stiff dough consistency, you'll take a little bit enough flour, sprinkle it onto your surface, and take the dough and knead it for about 3 minutes. With a knife, you're going to split it into 3 parts. You take the 2 ends.
Yeah.
Take the 2 ends. Twist them twice. 1, 2. Pull them down. Now pull them down all the way down. And see? It looks like a cute little pretzel. We're gonna take the pretzels.
We're gonna take the pretzels and
Dunk them in a water bath with baking soda for 30 seconds.
now we're gonna put the salt.
2 with salt, 2 with cheese.
Now I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Which one do you want? With the cheese sauce?
No. Without.
Have it right here.
I love it.
Okay, so after you knead the dough. Thank you for watching Cooking with Benji. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching.